A lot of things from the 1990s belong on the scrap heap. Tamagotchis, dial-up internet, and Vanilla Ice.
Alright, stop.
Collaborate and listen, because this German classic car definitely does not belong here. After the massive success of the E30 M3, BMW stepped up their game with the E36. This model was completely redesigned, featuring a powerful 6-cylinder engine instead of the old 4-cylinder, a new chassis with sleek modern styling, and a driver-focused interior. It quickly became one of the greats. Now, this particular M3 from 1992 is extra special. It's got a 3.2-litre engine, it's finished in Dakar Yellow, it's only 72,000 miles on the clock, and she's on Irish plates, lads. So if you'd like to own this well-maintained future classic, you're in luck. All you have to do is head on over to luckyDayCompetitions.com and grab yourself a ticket for only £12.97.